In this video, I'm going to show you how to become R4 in Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to see what rank you are, you want to go to the Alliance tab here, and from here we want to go and click onto Members. Now we can see there is different Rs. There is R0 to R4, R4 being the highest rank you can get inside of Kingshot, and basically all of these are leadership roles inside the game. So getting promoted to R4 depends mostly on your contribution, trust and activity within the Alliance. So now there's a few ways how we can do this. So now to do so, go ahead and join a stable alliance. So look for an active alliance with leadership that communicates and values members. An alliance usually is assigned R4 to members they trust to help manage things. You want to be active, so log in consistently and participate in alliance events, wars, rallies, donations and research contributions. Leaders notice who show up often, so keep that in mind. Also contribute resources and help, so always donate to alliance tech. Use the help button to speed up allies buildings and research, and share resources when needed. So just be a good member. Communicate and lead by example, so use the alliance chat on or Discord, Line, WhatsApp if they have one. Be friendly, answer new players' questions, and show initiative. Many alliance promote helpful members. Show combat and strategy skills, so join rallies, defend and attack smartly. Share reports and strategies within the team. Prove you can be trusted in wars. Also, you can ask politely for promotion. So once you build up trust inside the game, approach your R5 leader and express interest in helping the alliance as R4. Don't demand it, show you'll support the team.